Hey, Uptown Swing, level 1 Charleston. It's Maddie.
It's not.
Kind of. And Peter. Here's the stuff we did. We reviewed things. So we have our basic. We had to mix it up with the skip up. Bam. And then we had a basic. Then we got the kickaways. And double kickaways. And then around the world with it. Once we got that going, we worked on a little kick and slide. So back to the basic. On that double kick, and go kick and slide right in the same timing as the basic. So round step, kick and slide. Hey. Then we did a little fancy hand to hand. So here's hand to hand. We're on the same foot now. So right, left, right, left, left. Here's how we get into it. Come here. We do kickaways. You got double kick, hey, ho, double kick. Now go back. And then you do this until the song ends. Hey, ho, and that was